Si Brother Del, naputol to kanina eh. So go ahead bro, you can unmute yourself.
Okay lang po. Sige, bali yung i-share ko lang po yung natutunan ko is the actual process po from creating your core service and then kung paano mo siya i-set as product yung service mo. And then, ang pinaka magandang part for me is kung paano mo i-position yung sarili mo as a service provider. Kasi before, medyo broad yung parang positioning ko. Kasi personally, I'm a web designer po. So, ang positioning ko sa akin is gusto kong i-serve lahat. Pero dahil po dito sa service na to, medyo napaisip ako, what if mag-focus lang ako sa e-commerce, targetin ko sila, i-solve ko yung specific problem lang na meron sila, hindi ko solve lahat. And I think mas mag-work kapag ganun. So, yun lang po yung small sharing ko.
Thank you, Bro Del, no? So powerful yung share mo na nakafocus talaga sa industry. I like it so much. Thank you for sharing that.